In business, they say you can have better, cheaper, or faster, but you only get to pick two. What if you could have all three? You can with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. OCI is the blazing fast hyperscaler for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI needs, where you can run workloads for less compared with other clouds. OCI costs up to 50% less for compute, 70% less for storage, and 80% less for networking. Try OCI for free at oracle.com/DCR. Oracle.com/DCR. If you've shopped online, chances are you've bought from a business powered by Shopify. You know that purple Shop Pay button you see at checkout, the one that makes buying so incredibly easy? That's Shopify. And there's a reason so many businesses sell with it, because Shopify makes it incredibly easy to start and run your business. Shopify is the commerce powerhouse behind 10% of all e-commerce in the US, from household names like Mattel and Gymshark to brands just getting started. So get your own brand online with hundreds of beautiful, ready-to-go templates, and forget about the coding. Tackle your tasks in one place, from inventory to payments to analytics, and get the word out with built-in marketing and email tools to find and keep new customers. That purple Shop Pay button that's used by millions of businesses around the world is just one reason Shopify has the best converting checkout on the planet. If you want to see less carts being abandoned, it's time for you to head over to Shopify. Sign up for your $1 per month trial and start selling today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, July 30th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $117,535. ETH is down slightly at $3,756. XRP is down 0.5% at $3.04. Business success is about assembling the right team. It's the businesses behind the business that makes it all possible. When you think about businesses growing their sales beyond forecasts like Momofuku, or even a legacy business like Mattel, sure, you think about a product with demand, a focused brand, and influence-driven marketing, but a big component is the business behind the business, making selling and, for shoppers, buying simple. For millions of businesses, that business is Shopify. Shopify is home of the #1 checkout on the planet, and the not-so-secret Shop Pay boosts conversions up to 50%, meaning way less carts going abandoned and way more sales going. Nobody does selling better than Shopify. So if you're into growing your business, your commerce platform better be ready to sell wherever your customers are scrolling or strolling on the web, in your store, in their feed, and everywhere in between. Businesses that sell more sell on Shopify. Upgrade your business and get the same checkout Momofuku uses. Sign up for your $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/DCR, all lowercase. Go to shopify.com/DCR to upgrade your selling today. That's shopify.com/DCR.
On WhatsApp, no one can see or hear your personal messages. Whether it's a voice call, message, or sending a password. To WhatsApp, it's all just this. So whether you're sharing the streaming password in the family chat or trading those late-night voice messages that could basically become a podcast, your personal messages stay between you, your friends, and your family. No one else. Not even us. WhatsApp. Message privately with everyone.
An address linked to Anchorage Digital received over 10,000 Bitcoin from multiple wallets in just 9 hours per Arkham. It's unclear whether this reflects Anchorage's own activity or client custody, but the size of the transfer underscores Anchorage's role as a major player in institutional crypto services. Anchorage, the first federally chartered digital asset bank in the U.S., offers custody and other services to corporate clients. Separately, a wallet labeled Vulcan Gemini Custody withdrew 3,500 BTC from a Gemini hot wallet over 4 days. This follows Vulcan's $500 million fundraise to build a Bitcoin treasury strategy. The moves reflect a broader trend of public companies loading up on Bitcoin and Ether, betting on long-term gains. Falcon Finance, backed by DWF Labs, says it secured a $10 million initial investment from Trump-linked World Liberty Financial to support stablecoin development. The partnership focuses on building cross-platform liquidity and smart contract tools for converting between Falcon's synthetic dollar, USDEF, and WLFI's fiat-backed USD1. USDF uses over-collateralization and has a market cap of just over $1 billion. USD1, backed by U.S. cash equivalents, holds just over $2 billion. Kraken is looking to raise $500 million at a $15 billion valuation as it gears up for a 2026 IPO. The exchange brought in $1.5 billion in revenue last year and about $472 million in the first quarter of 2025. This push comes as the IPO window reopens for crypto firms amid clearer U.S. policy and renewed investor interest under Trump's pro-crypto stance. Kraken recently agreed to acquire futures platform NinjaTrader for $1.5 billion, expanding into derivatives. The company restructured in late 2024 and has begun sharing financials publicly. Other crypto firms like Grayscale, BitGo, and Bullish have also filed for IPOs, with Circle already listed. The DOJ has reversed its stance on potentially charging Dragonfly over its 2020 investment in Tornado Cash. Dragonfly's co-founder said the Department of Justice clarified during a Monday trial that media reports were inaccurate and that neither Dragonfly nor its principals are targets of the investigation. Last Friday, the DOJ had suggested in court it was considering charges which Dragonfly called a violation of DOJ policy, noting prosecutors aren't supposed to speculate on third-party charges in open court. The reversal comes as the DOJ continues its case against Tornado Cash co-founder Roman Storm, who faces conspiracy and sanctions-related charges. And finally, Hong Kong fintech firm RD Technologies has raised $40 million in a Series A2 round as it prepares for the region's new stablecoin licensing regime, which goes into effect August 1st. Founded in 2020, RD is developing a stablecoin-backed one won by the Hong Kong dollar and has participated in the Hong Kong Monetary Authority's stablecoin sandbox. This funding comes amid broader activity in Hong Kong's crypto sector, with OSL Group recently announcing a $300 million equity raise for global expansion. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
I'm Courtney Act. Many of you may know me from RuPaul's Drag Race, Celebrity Big Brother, Dancing with the Stars, or probably my hit album, Kaleidoscope. Well, guess what? I have got a brand new show called R&R with Courtney Act, and I want you to check it out. You know, I hate small talk. I want to go deep, and I want to go quickly. And on my show, we do just that. In today's world, it feels really polarized, and we're more connected than ever, but really, we can feel isolated, and I don't like that. I want the story shared here on R&R to make us realize that our similarities are greater than our differences. So join me and my fabulous guests like Nicole Byer, Tom Daly, Margaret Cho, Katia, Adore Delano, Jackie Beat, and many more. If you're looking for some rest and relaxation, you've come to the wrong place, because we are peeling back the layers of superficiality and we're getting down to the real stuff. Follow R&R with Courtney Act on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you're listening now.
Hi, this is Zibby Owens, host of Totally Booked with Zibby, formerly Moms Don't Have Time to Read Books. In my daily show, I interview today's latest, best-selling, buzziest, or underrated authors and story creators whose work I think is worth your time. As a bookstore owner, publisher, author, and obviously podcaster, I get a comprehensive look at everything that's coming out and spend my time curating the best books so you don't have to. Stay in the know, get insider insights, and connect with guests like Grammy Award-winning singer Alicia Keys, critically acclaimed author Judy Blume, and Academy Award-winning screenwriter John Irving, every single day. With Totally Booked, you aren't just listening, you're part of the story. So don't miss out. Follow Totally Booked with Zibby on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you're listening now.